Have you ever wondered how to say someone else did the work for you in English? In this video, you will learn what causative verbs are and how to use them correctly. What is a causative verb? The verb that indicates that a person or thing helps to make something happen is a causative verb. Make it means to force someone to take an action. Structure: subject plus helping verb plus make tense plus object plus verb. Let us look at some examples. 1. He makes me cry. 2. They are making him write a letter. 3. He will make me run. Now let us understand passive voice of make as a causative verb. The structure is object plus helping verb plus made plus to plus verb. Some examples are: 1. I am made to laugh. 2. Why is he being made to dance? 3. I will be made to walk. Now let us understand get as a causative verb. It means when one person makes another person work on third things. Example is: Ravi got Jack beaten by Tom. The structure is subject plus helping verb plus get plus object plus verb third. Subject to if needed. Example 1. Did you get his homework done? Another example is 2. They got the operation done. 3. Will you get the parcel sent tomorrow? Let. It means to permit something to happen. Example 1. Let them go to the market. 2. Let's play. 3. Let's draw. The structure is let, object, verb, plus. Some more example sentences are: 1. Let her sit on the grass. 2. Let me sing. 3. Let him go first. Have. It means to authorize someone to do something. Some examples are: 1. I'll have Maya guide you to the hall. 2. I had my lunch at 2 p.m. 3. They had their house renovated last year. If you found this video useful, like, share and subscribe for more English grammar lessons. Comment below if you want more videos on tricky grammar topics like this.